In this video, we are going to show you how you can create a strong password on your Surfshark VPN account. Now, as you can see here, we are about to create a password for our Surfshark account. Now, there are some rules here which you need to follow, and it's actually the key in you being able to create a strong password. So it says here at least 8 characters, one lowercase letter, one symbol, meaning, asterisk, pound sign, at, one uppercase letter, one number, and, non-breach password. So what is non-breach password? We can scan the web to ensure the password you want to use hasn't been exposed online, which is pretty good, right? So how do you do this? How do you know, or how do you know you're going to be accurate? So click on this icon here. So as you can see here, I have an app that can just create a password. If I want a password suggestion, I'm just going to click on this fill. So this is going to be our password, right? So as you can see, it all checks out everything. And this is going to be very hard to decipher or to get, right? So as you can see, your non-breach password, which is pretty good, right? So that is how you create a strong password. Just have a mixture of letters, numbers, uppercase, lowercase, and characters, right? So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.